guys, today what are we doing?
Makeup.
Are you going to do my makeup?
Yeah.
Today I'm going to let Brooklyn do my makeup. It's kind of a makeup tutorial. We'll see how she does. How old are you?
I'm
3.5.
3.5.
So what are you going to do to my face today? And Blake's right there. You can hear her, the baby. You can show him real quick if you want to. Camera guy.
I want to make
No, you're going to do me. Put makeup on me. Are you ready?
this one.
Use that one.
Okay.
Okay.
And how about one like this one? This one on this.
Mm-hmm. Let me try turn so they can see.
There's one. There's one up here. Pink over you.
I like it.
Pink over you.
Pink all over me.
Now just one more spot.
One more spot.
Yeah.
Alright, you're going to do my eyes next?
Yeah. And this one's for your eyes.
That's for your eyebrows.
And this is for eyebrows.
You can use some of this for your eyes.
And what's best is for eyes?
This one's really good for eyes.
And what's made up for eyes?
These.
And is it this one or these ones?
Any of them.
How about this one?
You're the makeup artist.
It's for the eyes. It's okay. Now, what's what you need to do first?
Is that all you're going to do with my eyes?
Now it's for your eyebrows.
Okay, I'm going to do my eyebrows.
And what's makeup for this? And this pink one's pretty. Pink is pretty. Oh. This one's really pretty.
You're making my eyebrows pink?
Yeah, because it's so pretty for that.
Oh, so pretty.
Now, one more pink on another one.
Okay. I should have picked a lower chair.
That's all very done. And which one did you do first?
I don't know. What else do you need to do?
How about your,
I don't have any contouring
Okay.
on. Okay.
And which brush is for that palm? Oh. This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one. Ooh, I like it brown this time.
Okay.
Brown. Now, it's right there.
Mm-hmm.
One pink. There you go. Now,
She said go like this.
so then which one? Now, which one was first?
Well, what else am I missing?
That.
Oh, the sparkles. Let me help you open it.
Because it's tin.
So what you do is you take a little bit and put it on the lid because you don't want to use all of it.
And what's brush for it?
You can use whatever brush you want.
I think it's this one or this one.
I think that one's a good one.
I think and this one
Where are you going to put the sparkles?
on your sparkly eye. There. You get more. It's not pretty. Switch another eye. pretty. Now it's done.
Am I done?
Yeah.
What about my lips?
How about with that?
Oh no, the sparkles. You can put sparkles on there?
Yeah, it's supposed to be pretty.
Okay.
So, now open it up. Now open it. It's not so pretty. Now what do we do first?
Do you think I'm all done?
Not yet. Now what do we do then? Oh, you're missing this.
Mm-hmm.
That's you're missing.
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me open it? Cause that's what you're missing.
I can help you open it.
But can I do it? I'll be really gentle.
Oh, it goes on your lips.
With my lips.
Mm-hmm.
That's all done.
All done.
Now you're missing something else.
What am I missing?
You're missing this. You're missing?
Okay, is that our last thing?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Just one more thing for makeup. Where's the stove?
The lips.
Oh no. Something pink. Pink! It's pinky. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Are you staying inside the lines?
Now you missing these guys.
I think we did enough lipstick. Am I ready to go?
Not yet. You are missing this one.
Okay.
What the dog?
Eyebrows?
Eyebrows.
Uh-oh.
So we have the this part and this wet your head down.
Okay.
The next one. That's all. Now that your eyeballs are pretty. Now to
Alright, I think I'm ready.
oh yes.
Okay. Am I ready for lunch?
I think you are.
Thank you.
Now my turn.
We'll do your turn next. Let me see how it turned out.
I think
Oh my. Looks like I'm ready to go.
now
Working on the red light district.
you're missing.
Well, thanks guys for joining us. Looks like we have to go make lunch now. Can you say bye?